Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to update your PSP to version 6.61 and then install ProMod for it. So first things first, you're going to want to go onto your PSP and check the system version under the system information. If you're on anything below 6.61, you're just going to want to update straight to 6.61. So first thing you're going to need is a link from the description. That link is going to be a direct download link from Sony themselves. So it's not going to pop up like an actual website when you put it in. It's just going to start downloading like that. So you take that, save it. So once that's saved, you're going to go over to your PSP's SD card, go to PSP, game, and if there isn't a folder called update all caps, go ahead and in there drag and drop this eboot.pvp file. And then on your PSP, you're going to go over to game, go to the memory stick, and it's going to say system update, and you're going to run that like a normal update. After that point, though, you're going to go to this site right here and download Infinity 2.0. It's going to be another link in the description. I'm not going to save it again because I already have it downloaded. So in Infinity, you're going to go into it. After you unzip it, make sure you unzip any file that you try to transfer over these, but unzip it. And there's two options, standard and PSP Go. If you don't have a PSP Go, use standard. Once you get in there, after the system is updated, I should really stop closing this. You're going to go to PSP, game, update, and replace that update file with this one. It's going to say same name, whatever, you're just going to write over it. And then on your PSP, I'm actually going to have to switch over to my PSP to show this. Alright, now on your PSP, you're going to go into the memory stick. Go down to Infinity. This is all yours will show right now, so you won't have to go down to anything. But when you click on Infinity, it'll bring you to a screen like this, except it'll say something like click X, right? So once you click X, it's going to install Infinity, then you click X again and you're good. Or I think you press X again and it reboots the system and brings you back. At that point, you're going to have to go back to the PC. Alright, so the next thing you're going to get is the custom firmware itself, PROMOD-C2. Seeing how you're running 6.61 now, you're going to want to get the 6.61 version, so click that bottom link. I'm not going to save it because I already have it, but once you have it, unzip it, go into it, PSP, game, and this is the only file you really need. Take that on the PSP, click into PSP, game, and drag it into there. Once you're done with that, you can unplug the SD from the computer again, plug it back into the PSP, and we can continue from there. Alright, so coming back on the PSP, you're going to want to go to memory stick, go down to this right here. So when you click on it, it's going to load you to a bunch of text in this corner right here. That is going to basically tell you everything that you can do with it, but all you're going to want to do is click X to run CFW, and then X again after that's done to start CFW, and at that point your system will be fully modded. The only thing that I would say at this point you absolutely need to do to keep it as a consistent mod is go into Infinity again, and once it's loaded up, click to the left and click X on Pro CFW by Coldburn. At that point, you can press home, press X to exit, and at that point your PSP is permanently jailbroken. You can do whatever you want with it at that point, install anything, do whatever you need to, and it'll all run. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you mod a PSP in 2025.